October 21st, we'll see. Let's see what happens if we get reveal us, you know, remaining or being free. Let's see. Let's see.
How do you feel about being a big bad every season? On those shows, you have one big bad,
Yeah.
continuous big bad.
Yeah. I'm honored, you know. I feel very privileged. I feel extremely blessed, you know, because you're right. I do follow a lot of other shows, and it changes a lot, you know. I think maybe Gotham was the only one that had like a consistent one, right? They changed, I think, too, or added more. I feel very blessed, you know. Luckily for me and my character, he is the big bad in the story of Black Light. You know, it wasn't like a lot of other people came into the story arc. So luckily for me, and Tobias Wall also was in other worlds, Suicide Squad, Batman, and all that. So I feel just honored and privileged to be able to play the character, and to be going into my third season as the big bad on the show. You know, it's overwhelming. You know, it's a dream come true.
So now that the Markovians are coming into the mix, do you think that's something Tobias will be with, or maybe even against? Maybe they'll be like interpreters.
He's an all or nothing kind of guy. You know, I don't think that he's going to be willing to share that power with anybody. I think we learned from season 1. You know, when he was working with the excuse me, I'm being horrible right now. The ASA, and then it was the I'm going to remember as soon as I walk from the table. The council, you know, that Jill Scott was Lady Eve, excuse me, was working for, or the head of, and it wasn't the ASA. It was I'm forgetting right now. Excuse me. Right. I'm getting, but
Season 1 was like 9 years ago.
Yeah, season 1 was a few years ago now. But no, so there, we saw then that Tobias didn't want to, you know, share that, you know. With Proctor, we saw in the ASA that he wasn't willing to work with Proctor and share that, you know, in the end of season 1. Moving forward, I don't think that he's going to be willing to share that position, you know. Even though it might seem like it for a time, something's going to happen. He's going to, you know, manipulate his way back to the top and to being the sole, you know, controller.
The characters always seems to have the biggest presence in the room, regardless of who you're there with. How do you channel that type of energy to play such a strong character?
I spend a lot of time alone. I try to. It's something that it kind of fuels him. The character spends a lot of time alone. If you look at the show, if you look at, you know, he spends a lot of time. He does a lot of delegating, but for the most part, he's alone. You know, while that stuff is being carried out. So I do that. I spend a lot of time alone when I'm preparing for the role. We film in Atlanta, so I'm from LA, so it takes me away from my comfort zone, away from my family, my friends, and I try to spend time alone and really, you know, embody the guy. You know, get outside of myself, because I'm totally contrasting. I'm nothing like that dude. So I try to, you know, embody him fully. You know, people say I look bigger on camera too, so I don't know.
Tobias seems to have put 2 and 2 together, that Jefferson and Black Lightning are not separate people.
Yeah.
So what's he going to do with that information?
You know, it's an interesting question, man, and I'm curious as you are to see how, because I think that we let on that he does kind of know what's going on here, or there's something here, especially in the last episode. You know, we come flying through the window and the girl. There's something happening. I'm interested to see how he, you know, uses that to his advantage. You know, I know that whatever happens, he's going to use it to his advantage. So I'm glad that it's unfolded.
Is there anything in particular, even though you can't say much about season 3, that you're excited for fans to see in Tobias, or what you want to see happen in season 3 with Tobias?
Is there something that I want to share?
Or just any kind of teaser.
Any kind of teaser. Well, yeah. will be on TV October 21st at 9 o'clock, right after All American.
I'm going to say before we're feeling too much.
Yeah. On the CW. Yeah, no, it's really unpredictable. We've only started shooting last week and got 2 scripts. I've only received 2 scripts. We only shot 1 and I only received 2. It's very much so unpredictable. It's nothing that I expected. While we're on break, we did like a 5-month break. And everything, I'm sitting up every day trying to figure out, much like you guys are, and predict what might happen, where we're going to take this, where are the writers thinking, what are they thinking today? And when I finally get the scripts, nothing like I thought at all. Completely, I was completely off, far off. So you guys be very surprised, happily surprised.
Thanks so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.